A reading from the Holy Gospel according to Saint Matthew. When the disciples reached the other side, they had forgotten to bring any bread. Jesus said to them, "Watch out and beware of the leaven of the Pharisees and Sadducees." Beware of the leaven of the Pharisees and Sadducees. Hello children, greetings to you from Brother Adam Babush. It's my joy to address you all and share the fruit of my meditation on the Word of God you heard just now. You see, I'm standing beside a huge tree in our compound which unfortunately dried up this summer. This is a mango tree which has produced thousands of mangoes for the past 40 years. Every year we have trimmed this tree and removed all the parasites. It has braced itself to the heavy winds, incessant rains and scorching heat. None of those great thunderstorms and lightnings could shake this tree. Then how do you think this tree dried all of a sudden? You may not believe it. It was a little tiny termite which ate up its roots, deep within the earth where nothing was seen outside. No one noted that the leaves were fading, branches were drying, and the tree was falling apart bit by bit, step by step, one little root at a time. All because it was happening in the dark, deep beneath the soil and without anyone's stare or notice. How true is this phenomenon, dear friends, with us as well? The evil is like that termite that catches up with us at night, when we are hardly attentive, when we are in deep slumber. The evil one cuts all those vital roots through which Christ's love flows into us. When we have been already succumbed to his snares, we get awakened. But it's too late. The sap from our inner life is already gone, and we have been impoverished and left to dry, rot and decay. Friends, we are like trees. Two sources from which we are nourished are the sun from above and soil from below. Both are equally important. But the interesting fact of life is that the sun above always shines. The tree could be assured of its light throughout the year. God is like that sun. He is there for us all the time. It's up to us to avail His help. But the root cause of evil is in the roots themselves. They are exposed to all kinds of evil like termites, ants, vermins and so on. It's all with us. What we are exposed to, who are our friends, who is influencing us and how we are responding to them. If we do not discern and if we do not listen to the voice of God coming to us from parents, siblings and good friends and act in time, the termites without our knowledge eat up our roots, our vital lifelines. So a clarion call from our Lord is to beware of the leaven of the Pharisees. What is this leaven of the Pharisees? I think it's the temptation of the evil one. Yes, the temptations are indeed like the leaven. They are just a handful, like the little waves, but they are enough to drown the mighty boat of our life. There were many trees nearby which weren't as productive as this mango tree, but the termites devoured the roots of the fruit-bearing tree. It means that the more productive we become in the service of our Lord, the more jealous Satan feels. When he attacks the best of the best, he feasts in his success because he has everyone in his control. Hence, the best person you are, the saintly person you are, you will be tempted more, you will be tested more, and finally, you will easily succumb to the devil's allurements unless you are strong, alert, and watchful. While the tree was bearing fruit and many were enjoying life in its shade, the tree itself might have gloried in its productiveness and forgot to pay attention to the termites attacking its stem. And as a result, it is not able to produce those delicious mangoes which it produced in plenty once upon a time. Dear friends, unless we take care of ourselves, we cannot take care of others. If we are hale and hearty, we can take care of the health of others. Therefore, we should take a break. We should examine our life now and then. We should remind ourselves of our goal, of our mission. Remove all the hurdles that block us from attaining them. Dear children, we are living in terrible times. Please take care of yourselves. Don't expose yourself to the coronavirus. Please listen to your parents and elder siblings. Follow all the guidelines they give you. Meanwhile, see that your life tree is not exposed to the termites. Keep them miles away from you. And be sure that our prayers are always with you. God bless you.